Guys, I hear a garbage truck. I don't know what they're doing first. Is it Melvin or Dylan? I don't know. So first, it's garbage first. It's Melvin. It's 3402. Melvin's here. Wow. Oh. Jeez. It's here. Oh, wow. Oh. Oh. Oh, jeez. Oh, wow. Oh. Eventually, I have a dentist appointment today, so my dentist appointment's in soon. It came on time. Well, I don't have school today, so also today is recycling day, so I don't think I'm gonna see Dylan for that. I don't think I'm gonna see Dylan later. Starting. I have a dentist appointment today, so I won't be at school today. Oh, there it is. Oh, it's coming to our house. I don't think I'm gonna see Dylan because I might be at the dentist. I don't think I might see Dylan because I might be at the dentist. Oh. Oh. And you can see these trash cans are pretty cool, to be honest. Yesterday I made a video about that tomorrow is trash day, and this side of their trash cans was just picked up like 3 minutes ago. But anyway, yeah. Alright, it's coming to our house soon. Yep. Oh. Alright. Oh. He's coming to our house after this. Oh, it's our turn.
week, maybe.
Alright. Alright. If you guys enjoyed, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video. Goodbye, guys.